And
Sir,
everyone,
actually you sent the materials, sir. We have checked it out.
yeah, I already sent the material in the Google Classroom last class one, and the class video also uploaded in the YouTube. You can check, go through that once. Okay, last class, Kunal, you can mute yourself.
Okay.
So last class we discussed about the types of acids like mineral acids and
Mineral
acid.
acids, hydro acids, wax.
Sir, mineral acids, hydra acids, and oxy acids.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Last class we discussed about the acids. One is the mineral acids. Next, classification of the acid based upon the constant elements. Again classified into two types. One is the hydra acids, another one is the oxy acids. So hydra acid is nothing but acid which contain only hydrogen and other non-metal. So how to write the name of the hydra acids also we discussed it in the last class. Like hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, hydroiodic acid. And the next one, oxy acids. Oxy acid is nothing but the acid which contain hydrogen, oxygen, and the non-metal. That is the oxy acids. So naming of oxy acids also we discussed in the last class. If you have more number of oxygen atoms, it is called as an ic acid. If you have less number of oxygen atoms, it is called as an OS acid. Okay, so like this we have done for the sulfur, nitrogen, chlorine, these three. So today we will discuss about the classification of the acids and bases based upon the strength, whether it is a strong acid or the weak acid. Okay, so this is another classification of the acid based upon the strength. Yeah, Raghav, unmute yourself.
Sir, you gave us a homework last time.
Yeah, about what is the homework?
Sir, you told us to find how to write H2S.
H2S.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Yeah, what is the name?
Sir,
H2S.
hydrosulfuric acid.
Is it hydrosulfuric acid? Yeah. H2S means there is a hydrosulfuric acid. Very good. So next we'll continue with the topic called as in classification of acids based upon the strength. If you have any doubts, you can raise your hands. I will make you unmute. Next classification is a classification of acids and bases based on strength. So this is the third classification. First classification we have seen based upon the source, whether it is the organic acid or the mineral acids. Second classification we have seen based upon the type of elements, hydrogen, oxygen, and the non-metals. Kunal, unmute yourself.
Sir.
Yeah, what happened?
No, sir. Actually, I'm not able to understand sir, what you're saying.
Because you are absent for last two classes, right?
Yes, sir. That's right.
But that's what you are not understanding that one. Just to go through the class videos on the YouTube. Second class video is there on the YouTube.
Okay, sir.
And the class notes. Okay.
Okay.
So that third one is based upon the strength. So first we will say so acid is nothing but substance when dissolved in the water, it will produce the H plus ions. Another definition of the acid is substance which dissolve when dissolved in the water will produce the H plus ions. What is the definition of the acid? Substance when dissolved in the water will produce the H plus ions. If you dissolve any substance in the water, if it produces the H plus ions, that is called as an acid. This is a second definition of the acid. What is the definition of the base here?
Sir, why you didn't write for acid anything, sir?
Sorry.
Yes.
Sir, means beside above the second definition of acid, acid is there, right? Why you didn't write for anything for that?
Just I want to write the definition only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is a substance when dissolved in the water produce
H minus ions.
OH minus ions, not H minus. That is a OH minus ions. Okay. What is this H plus ions? It is also called as an hydrogen ion.
Hydrogen ions.
What is the name of H plus ions?
Hydrogen ions.
What is the meaning of OH minus ions?
Hydroxides ion.
Hydroxide ions.
Hydroxide ions.
Hydroxide ions.
Sir, OH means what, sir?
OH means a hydroxide.
Hydroxide. Okay.
Sir, I
Hydroxide.
think your voice is
Sir, then H plus ion. Okay, sir, I have.
H plus is called as an hydrogen ions.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay.
why you wrote this ions at the side?
Ion means the charged particles.
Okay.
Ion is there, right? That is a.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Charged
charged
particles.
particles.
It can be positive charge or negative charge.
Positively or negatively charged.
That is called as an ions. Here, in the case of H, there is a plus charge, right?
Yes, sir. Plus
Yes,
In
charge.
case
sir.
of minus, there is a
Charge. Negative
OH,
charge.
it is minus
Negative
charge.
charge.
Okay.
Sir, can you show some up, sir?
Yeah. So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
definition of the second definition of the acid and base. So whenever the acid dissolve in the water, what it will use?
Hydrogen ions.
Hydrogen ions.
It will produce the hydrogen ions. Whenever the
Sir,
base
means it-
dissolves,
Hydroxide
sir.
ions.
yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. When the base dissolves, we'll get hydroxide ions. Okay.
Okay. Then what is this process? The splitting of ions when a substance dissolves in the water is called as an ionization. One more term is ionization. Ritvik and the Kunal, you can mute yourself.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Newton is
Okay.
Sir, can you wait for a minute?
Yeah.
Sir, can you scroll up a bit?
1 minute.
Yes, sir. Can.
So what is this process of ionization? What is the definition of ionization? The splitting up of a substance.
Yes, sir. The splitting of atoms.
Splitting of a substance into the ions. When dissolving in the water is called as an ionization process. Raghav,
Yes, sir.
understanding?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir. No doubts.
Okay, example if you take, whether HCl is an acid or base.
an acid or base? Sir,
Acid.
acid, sir.
Acid. When you dissolve in the
Sir, it's
water,
acid.
when you dissolve in the water, what it will produce?
Sir, it is hydroxide.
Sir, it will
Hydroxide.
ions. Yes, sir. Nitrogen ions.
It will produce the H plus ions.
Nitrogen.
H plus ions it will produce, right?
Sir, yes, sir.
Sir, can you scroll a little bit up?
Okay. When you dissolve the HCl in the water, it will produce the H plus ions and the Cl minus ions. So splitting of a substance into ions when dissolving in the water is called as an ionization.
Sir,
Understand?
can you? Yes, sir. Sir, can you scroll a bit?
Yes, sir.
Wait 1 minute. Now can you tell me this is for the acid. Now tell me for base.
Sir, so.
NaOH. When dissolved in the water, what will form? It will form Na plus plus OH minus. This is a sodium. What is the name sodium? What is the meaning of OH?
Sir, oxide.
Hydroxide.
Hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide. Understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you tell what is base again?
Base is a substance when dissolved in the water produce the OH minus ions. That only we discussed it in the class just now, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, like I did not understand, so I asked it.
Okay, no problem. You can ask n number of times. I will explain you.
Sir, can you wait 2 minutes, sir? I'm copying down.
Okay.
Sir, can you scroll down?
Then do you understand these concepts or not? First thing,
Yes,
No,
sir, we
sir.
understand.
Srusti,
Yes, sir.
clear? Shiva,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Jade,
Sir, no, sir.
Jade, no.
Means I'm not getting understand this concept. I'm not
Can
able to
you please
understand this.
scroll down a bit?
People, remaining people, when you are not speaking and mute yourself, I said already. Ritvik,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah, Raghav.
Can you please scroll down a bit?
Yeah, I will show that one. But Ritvik, you are not at all following the rules.
Yes, sir, sorry.
It means I'm not able to understand this concept.
Yeah, one thing I'll tell you, wait. See, what is the acid definition? Whenever you dissolve the acid in the water, it will produce the H plus ions. Clear. If you dissolve the acid in the water, it will produce the only H plus ions.
So what is that H plus ions?
H plus ion is nothing but the hydrogen ions or the positive charge ions. Okay, that is a hydrogen ions. It will produce always. All the acids will have the H plus ions compulsory. Understanding? All the acids will have the H plus ions. So when you dissolve the acid in the water, what will happen? It will produce the H plus ions. Means it will separate into the H plus ions.
Okay, sir.
What about the base? If you dissolve the base in the water, it will produce what ions?
H minus ions.
OH minus ions.
OH minus.
So what is the OH minus ion name? That is a hydroxide ions.
Sir, what is hydroxide? Like, is it also
Yes, sir.
an element?
It is a name. Name of OH is called as a hydroxide.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Clear now too.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Then what is this ion means? Any charged particle is called as an ion. What is ion?
Any
Sir,
charged particles.
Is called as an ions. Now, what is this process called splitting in the water?
Ionization.
That is called as
Sir,
ionization.
ionization.
The splitting of a substance into ions when dissolving in water is called as an ionization.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you take example for any acid like HCl, if you dissolve in the water, now it will form H plus ions and Cl
Sir,
minus
can you
ions.
please say what is up of the minus?
What is up of the
So it means Cl up is there, right? Minus what's that?
minus charge? That one.
Okay.
It will
So
form H
what is
plus.
the meaning of Cl?
Cl is a chlorine.
Okay.
Sir, sir, in this base, NO, like NaOH, right?
Yeah.
Sir, so is it like I do not understand base, like acid is hydrochloric acid, right? So sodium hydroxide is all, it's not an acid.
No, no, no. Sodium hydroxide is a base. It
Yes,
will not
sir.
be acid. Sodium hydroxide is a base.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Raghav.
Sir, how do we determine whether it is whether it is positively or negatively charged?
So that is already determined only. Always H will form the plus only if you lose the electron. This plus charge is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus charge means losing of electrons.
Okay, sir.
So can you scroll a little bit out?
Sir, in the acid HCl,
One by
Sir.
one. I think I already informed you. Just raise your hands. I will call you one by one in the Zoom meeting.
Sir, do we have a table-like thing to learn on this?
Yeah, you have the tables in the 8th class. We'll get the tables. 8th.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Oh, Okay.
Acidic
sir.
radicals, basic radicals, neutral radicals, these things will be there. Valency concepts in that, we will explain that one.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt that what is NaOH?
NaOH is a base. NaOH is a basic substance. When you dissolve the NaOH in the water, it will form Na plus plus OH minus. This is a splitting is happening, right? If you dissolve
Yes,
the base
sir.
in the water, it will produce OH minus ions.
Sir, like it will break and it will dissolve in water.
Yeah, if you keep the base in the water, now it will break into ions. That is
Okay,
only
sir.
splitting, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Sir, like a tablet, sir, like a tablet, if you throw in water, it will dissolve, right? Like that.
That is a different thing.
also sugar.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, Mahavir.
sir, like in HCl, so we know that when we dissolve hydrochloric acid in water, H plus and Cl minus will come, right?
Yeah.
So if we take another acid, so how can we know that which is positively charged and which one is negatively charged?
Very good. If you take H2SO, for example, it is also acid only, right?
Sir, those
Yes,
are
sir.
effervescent tablets which he asked before.
Sorry.
Sir, somebody asked about the tablets, right? Those are called effervescent tablet.
Yeah. So when you take
Sir, I
the
have a
1 minute, please. I will explain the doubt to Mahavir, then I will come to you. So H2SO4 is there now, Mahavir.
Yes, sir.
If you dissolve in the water now, acid always will use what? H plus ions only, right? I said according to the definition.
Yes, sir.
Means remaining will be the minus only, right?
Yes, sir.
But how many H are there here?
Sir, only one. Sir, 2H.
2H. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2. Means it will show minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir. So it will be 2H plus ions and SO. Like,
SO4 minus 2.
yes.
Sir, you can explain this again, Mahavir, what you asked?
That means why that SO4 up minus 2 is there?
There is a balance that will
Sir, so in that case, do plus and minus ions should be equal?
not ions. The charge should be equal. Plus 2 should be cancelled with minus 2. Then only it will become neutral, right?
Yes, sir.
Here
Yes,
there is
sir.
there is no charge on the compound. So to make it neutral, we should take it plus or minus. That is how to adjustment.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah,
Thank
Shiva.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, why you are keeping plus, sir? We can keep minus also, no?
For what?
For H.
That's what I told you. According to definition, is what? Acid means which has to produce only H plus, right? Not H minus. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acid means it will produce only H plus ions.
Okay, sir.
And base means what? It will form OH minus ions always. The charge also will be there. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I know the world's most powerful acid, sir.
What is it?
Sir, can you please say what is
Fluormatic, sir.
H2?
Sir, in Telugu body, I saw, sir. Fluormatic.
Huh?
Fluormatic, sir.
Furan Meltica.
Fluormatic something it will be, sir. But it is the world's most powerful acid, sir. If it will come on a human's hand, sir, it will make a hole, sir, on human's hand like this, sir.
Okay, okay.
It will come and it can only store on temple of sir, and temple of sir cannot be stored on anything, sir, like glass or steel. Anything it cannot be stored, sir.
Okay.
And temple we can find temple in a non-stick pan, sir.
That is a Teflon. Okay, that we'll discuss about later. Yeah, next one. Srusti, what is your doubt?
Sir, can I say?
Srusti, what is your doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt that how can we identify that it is hydrochloric acid or it's sodium hydrochloric acid?
Hydrochloric acid is already they identified in the laboratories. So when you say HCl,
Sir, I think something experiments will be right for.
Yeah. based
Sir,
upon
I have a
experimental
doubt.
results.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir,
One
what
thing,
is,
wait, everyone. Just raise your hands. I will call you one by one now. Srushti, what is your doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt that how can we identify that it's hydrochloric acid?
That's what. If you dissolve the acid in the water now, if you dissolve any substance in the water now, if it produces a H plus ion means that is an acid. If you dissolve
Okay,
any substance in the water, if it produces a OH minus ion, now that is a base. Or else we can identify whether the substance is acid or base based upon the indicators. Based upon the indicators like
so
litmus
what are
paper.
the indicators?
Indicator of the substance which will show different color in the different medium. In the acidic medium, it will show different color. In the basic medium also, it will show different color. So based upon the color change, you can identify whether it is acid or base. I will tell you what is the indicators in the last, okay? Suppose if you take litmus paper and if you dip in the hydrochloric acid, it will change to red color. So litmus paper changing to red color now, that is an acid, indicates the acid. Like that we'll identify. Okay. Sai Kartikeya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you can say this again. This acid H250. I didn't understand.
H2. Can you repeat again? What is the question? Sai Kartikeya, can you repeat again? What is the question?
Sir, this acid one down.
Yeah, H2SO4.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you dissolve the H2SO4 in the water, how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens are there, right? So it will produce 2 H plus ions
Yes, sir.
and remaining as a sulfate ions. These things we'll study in the higher classes. What is the sulfate and all?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, Jait. Yeah, Jait, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, my doubt is that what is full form of H2?
H2.
Yes, sir.
H2 is nothing but the hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen gas. Sir, I have a doubt that I have a condition minus and minus plus minus that minus two H. I didn't understand that part.
See, overall the charge
Sir,
should be
why
neutral.
like that?
Wait. Overall the charge should be neutral, right? If you take 2 into plus 1,
Yes,
how
sir.
much?
2 into plus 1 is nothing
Plus
but
2, right?
3.
2 into plus 1, how much?
2
2 into plus 1. Plus 2 only,
Two.
right?
Yes, sir.
Then this is a minus 2. Plus 2 and minus 2 will become 0 only, right?
Yes, sir.
So same charge is there, 0, 0, both are same only, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that is only. We will take plus 2 and minus 2. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, and what is the meaning of SO4?
Sulfate ion. It's a sulfate ion. Yeah, Shiva. Fast.
Sir, acid still mix many chemicals or some chemicals?
Acid can mix.
Sir, in acid, they'll mix very so much chemicals, sir.
Acid is also one type of chemical. Again, why they will mix the chemicals? HCl is one type of chemical only, right? H2SO4 is a one type of chemical only, right? Okay. Next, we'll go to the next topic. First one is a strong acid. So again, I will give some time for you to have asking doubts. Listen carefully now. The acid which undergoes complete ionization. The acids which undergoes complete ionization process and produce more number of H plus ions is called as a strong acid, like HCl. If you undergoes ionization process, it will form H plus plus Cl minus. In the same way, H2SO4, 2H plus plus SO4 minus 2. Understanding? So here we have only one hydrogen, so it will form only one H plus. Here we have two hydrogens, so it will form the 2H plus. So complete ionization will take place, that is called as a strong acid. Now you can raise your hands, you can ask me the doubts one by one. Don't unmute yourself. Jait, what is your doubt?
Sir, the strong acids will affect except other acids, this acids will get more affected.
Yeah, strong acids are very, very dangerous.
Okay, what are the examples of that, sir?
HCl, H2SO4.
Sir, means you should not use that.
We should not touch directly. We should not touch any type of acids directly. But if you touch the strong acids, it will damage very easily.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So these are the acids produced.
Strong acid.
Yeah.
Sir, acids are flammable. Actually, they burn our skin.
They are
Sir, I
corrosive.
have
They are corrosive in nature. So
Yes,
if they take on the tables or if you take on the hand also, they will start burning. They will react
Sir, once
immediately.
you can say this the definition of this strong acid. Means
The acid which undergoes complete ionization process means complete breaking of the H plus will takes place. Ionization means what? Splitting into ions, right? So whatever the ions are, H plus are there, it will completely breaking into the H. That is called as strong acids. Here we have only one H in the HCl. Formation also one H only. Here how many H's are there? Two H's.
There's a 2H plus and SO4 minus
Minus
2.
2. So it is forming more. How many number of H plus are there on the reactant side? Same number of H plus will be formed on the product side, right? That is only the strong acid.
Sir, I have doubt. Can I?
Yeah.
Sir, HCl is acid, means it is separated, means H is one, H plus one is an acid, or Cl plus minus is an acid.
Sorry.
Ma'am, sir, HCl is an acid.
Okay.
Sir, I'm asking that HCl is an acid, or H plus Cl is becomes a acid.
HCl is an acid.
Okay, sir. Sir, when we form this only, the strongest acid will be formed.
Yeah.
Means another acids cannot.
Remaining some acids which undergoes complete ionization is called as strong acids. It's
Sir,
not only one
also-
HCl or one H2SO4. Like HNO3
Yes,
also
sir.
strong acids are there. There are so many
Yes,
strong
sir.
acids are there.
Sir, for this chlorine, you're telling that plus positive losing of what, sir?
Mute yourself, Kunal.
Sir, not from me, sir. Kunal.
Okay. So when you form. See, when you are
Yes,
dissolving
sir.
the HCl in the water, it will form H plus and Cl minus. It is a positive charge, right? Means plus
Yes, sir.
1. It is a negative
Yes,
charge,
sir,
right?
plus one.
Minus 1. Both will cancel.
Sir, how we can take a negative or positive?
That is what according to the definition, right? Acid means what? It will produce H plus ions only, right?
Yes, sir. H plus ions, definition of ions when it dissolve in the water.
Yeah, if it produces H plus ions, other should be the minus only, right?
Yes, sir. Base will be minus.
Yeah.
Okay,
Not
so the
base.
chloro. Yes, sir.
Remaining element should be the minus.
Yes, sir. Then the chlorine is minus.
Minus.
So chlorine, sir, here Cl is equals to chlorine. You cut it, sir. Means what, sir? I did not understand this. Sir,
Sorry, your doubt is not clear for me also first thing. In which way you are
sir, C,
asking?
sir, Cl is equals to chlorine, and
Cl
you
is a
wrote something and you cut it off, sir. That's what I did not understand.
nothing that is not related to this topic, okay? Okay. So listen here carefully. Next is the alkali. Alkali are bases. The base which dissolve in the water is called as an alkali. The bases which dissolve in the water is called as an alkalis. Means all the bases are alkalis. Is it possible?
No,
Alkali,
sir.
what is the definition of alkali?
Sir, I
The
think
bases
no.
which
The
only the
bases
bases
Base
which
which dissolves in
dissolve
water
in the
is
water is
called
called as an
alkali.
alkali.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. That means
Wait
what
1 minute,
is
everyone.
what
A
is
doubt,
it?
sir.
A doubt.
Raise your hands if you have doubts. I will call you one by one. Means if you take alkali, alkali is a substituent of the base only. All bases cannot be the alkalis. All bases cannot be alkalis, but all alkalis are bases. You understand this statement, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sushri, what is your doubt?
Sir, I was having doubt what is L minus, sir, in strong acid.
Sorry, strong acid.
What is L minus, sir, in
There is a
HCl?
Cl minus. Cl minus is a chlorine minus atom.
Okay,
See,
sir.
HCl there is no charge, right?
Yes, sir.
So H always will form plus because hydrogen always will form plus only in the acids. Then remaining will form negative only always. So this and this will cancel and become neutral.
Okay, sir.
Everyone understand the alkalis? If you have any doubts on the alkali, you can raise your hands. Not for other things. Sai Karthikeya, what is your doubt?
Sir, all bases can't be alkali.
Yeah. Because all the bases are not soluble in water, right? The base, only some bases will soluble in water. So those bases only called as an alkalis. Some bases only will dissolve in the water. Those bases only called as an alkalis. The remaining bases are not called as an alkalis. That's why all bases cannot be the alkalis, but all alkalis can be the bases. Can you understand from this chart? You
Yes,
understand or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Raghav? Where is Raghav?
Yes, sir.
Understand what is the definition of alkali and base?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have, sir, and I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, all so alkali metals and alkali earth metals are there, no sir, in periodic table in
Yeah,
the
very
S
good.
block elements.
Yeah.
So are all S block elements soluble in water?
The starting elements are there, right? The first group is called as an alkali metals.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I mean yes, sir. Alkali metals.
All those substances are soluble in water only.
Oh, okay.
Form the base of all the substances in the first group elements.
Yes, sir. What
All are
about
soluble in water.
alkaline earth metals?
Alkaline earth metals is a different thing.
Okay, sir.
Some they are not soluble in water. Some are not soluble in water at all.
Okay, okay, sir.
But in the
Thank
first group elements, all are soluble in water. Like NaOH, KOH, LiOH is there, right?
Yes, sir.
These all are soluble in water.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So next we'll go for the next topic, that is a concentrated acid and the dilute acids. What is the meaning of concentration acids? In the case of concentrated acid, acid which means acid content will be more and the water is in the lesser quantity. But in the case of dilute acids, the acid is less and water is more.
Sir,
Understand this one?
Again, no, sir, I didn't understand this concentrated acid.
In the case of
Yes,
concentrated acid, the acid quantity is more and the water quantity is less. Means there is only less amount of
water, sir.
there is only less amount of water will be there in that acid. In the case of concentrated acid.
Sir, means
Sir, can I explain with an example?
Yeah.
Sir, if we squeeze a lemon,